Kia ora and welcome to part 3 of our Celebrity Millennium Cruise to India. And yes, at last, we've made it to India despite all the visa problems. We're here! Our first port of call is Kochi, which is in the province of Kerela, which is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea. It's a vibrant blend of historical influences, Arab, Chinese and Europeans. So let's take a look at it as we head around Kochi in Kerela.
Are you ready to go out to India, Ray?
No, I'm dancing. Our first look at India was exactly what we thought it would be. Steamy, smoggy and spectacular. The waterway was littered with all sorts of debris, but it all added to the mystique that we're about to feel and see. And we're going to head out on a bit of a walking heritage tour, but first we have to go through strict immigration and security. We made it with the help of our daughter back in New Zealand, the travel agent Michelle. Thank you so much. Michelle. Otherwise we would have had to get off in Sri Lanka. Yeah, but we weren't the only one. There's quite a few that struggled, but anyway, we're here, so put that behind us. Let's go
to India!
India! Namaste. Kochi was founded in 1341 and it's been a major spice trade centre influenced by Arab, Chinese and European cultures. It's a melting pot containing the oldest active synagogue in the whole Commonwealth, which is called the Paradisi Synagogue, and it's in a place called Jewtown, which we'll show you a wee bit later on. Our ship's excursion for the day was part of a walking heritage tour around the port of Kochi and the promenade. We went to a Santa Cruz Cathedral School and Basilica. It's known as the Kotapalli and it's located in Fort Kochi. It's one of 34 basilicas in India and one of 9 in the province of Kerala. The heritage edifice of Kerala is renowned for the Indo-European and Gothic architectural style. It still serves as a cathedral church today. We couldn't film inside the basilica. Needless to say, it was quite spectacular. What we would think of as stray dogs, over here it's called community dogs. So this is St. Francis Church. It was the first European Christian church in all of India.
Yes.
And it was where Vasco da Gama was laid to rest in 1524. But later on his body
was taken to Portugal in 1934. No, 1534.
Yeah.
1534.
So quite a significant place, but there's no filming in there. So you'll have to put up with us. So we're on a bit of a heritage trail tour, and yeah, very interesting.
Very interesting.
Now, if you've seen the movie, The Finest Marigold Hotel, this was some of the scenes were shot in this particular area. So, there, fans of that movie. The walking tour continued along the waterfront promenade, where we went past Chinese fishing experts and heaps of people selling their wares.
At night time, it attracts the fishes and squirrels. Ah. The only one. This is the only one stands now.
Right. This guy's picking up rubbish.
Yeah. Now the guy you see running here in the blue, in the jeans, he was the co-driver of our bus, and he went out to stop the traffic to let us through.
Never seen anything like it. Yes, we have, Vietnam.
Yeah.
The ship you see in front of the Millennium there is from the United States, and it's full of students, college students, and this is their college. They go around the world studying everything, living on the ship. What a great way to learn. Back on board, and after a quick change and a freshen up, it was time for dinner again.
Could I please have the Greek salad and the chef's special?
Day Friday. Cheers.
Very nice. Brown bread too. I don't know which one to use.
You get this one before, chili.
Which one was she talking about on there?
I don't know.
Well, we just had another exquisite meal in the Metropolitan. It's another beautiful hot night out here in India. Well, I'm not saying another because this is the first night we've been here. Oh Lord, I just seen lightning. It is supposed to rain later, so maybe it's going to. I'll turn the camera around, hopefully we'll catch the next bit of lightning. Well, we're off
We're off.
on a bit of a
Adventure.
We don't know where we're going or how we're going to get there, but I'm sure we will. And that's Carol and Kevin up there. They're going to spend the day on the ship. The most easiest and probably the quickest way to get around most of India is on a tuk-tuk, and that's exactly what we did.
Ferrari. Air conditioning. Hello. Take care. Yesterday you were there
Yes, we went on a tour to
by bus.
yeah. But we thought today we were tuk-tuk. So our driver's name is Shahir.
Shahir, my name.
Shahir.
Hello.
And
People are very friendly here.
he's taking us to Jewtown. Yeah, very quiet Saturday morning here in Kochin. Well, we're in the Jew town, is what they call it, the Jewish quarter.
Yes, I've already bought something.
So we'll continue on our way and see where we end up. So this is the International Tourism Police Station and Police Museum here in Kochin. So we're going to have a quick squiz. The historic area of Jewtown is the heart of a once thriving Jewish community. It's known for its old world charm and 16th century paradisy synagogue. The quaint shops around the Synagogue Lane and Jewtown Road all sell antiques, carvings and vintage collectibles, along with crafts and aromatic spices. We had to do some shopping, we really did.
I'm from Kashmir, so my shop is in a Jewtown. It's named Cottage Arts Exposition. Today I meet lovely person. What's your name, sir?
Ray.
Ray. My name is Sharif. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have you done enough shopping, Joe?
No, I haven't finished.
Having said that, included in those bags is a shirt of mine. Two shirts. Two shirts of mine, so yeah. Oh, hello, my old mate. Oh. Look out.
A few hours later, Sharif, our driver, was exactly where he said he would be.
Hello. Welcome to Ferrari.
Another lovely day in Kerela, or Kochin.
Kochin.
Yeah, it was.
Kochi.
We had fun today, didn't we?
Yes, it was good. Good fun. We went on a tuk-tuk.
Yeah,
Yes, I had a bit of a spin up.
yeah. So did I. But it was fun, and we had a great driver by the name of Sharif.
Sharif, yes.
Yeah, and he was a hard doer, hard case, and kept us entertained.
Mm.
Then we came back, had something
Yes.
to eat.
Yes, we had a nice lunch.
I did a wee bit of editing, and then we had a wee bit of a nana nap.
Yes, we had a nana nap in the afternoon.
And then away out for tea.
Yes, we're going out for dinner.
Metropolitan.
Yeah.
So I've got the seafood also. Kevin's got the surf and turf. Carol's got the lemon chicken, and so's Joe. Look at the size of that. There's 3.5 chickens there.
Joe's got.
Oh, and she got some fries.
Some Parmesan cheese?
No, thank you. I will have. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll stick those in the middle. Do you want any fries?
No, thank
How
you.
about you, sir?
No,
Just a
thank you.
Parmesan? No?
Fine.
I wish you good appetite. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
The entertainment that night in the main theatre was Sarah Leanne. Now, Sarah Leanne was our entertainment director for the cruise, and I tell you what an all-round entertainer she was.
I miss him so much.
that ended another wonderful day on the Celebrity Millennium. It also ends our video. We're sorry for being so delayed, but we've had a bit of trouble retrieving all the video. Next week, we're going to head away to Goa. What a beautiful place that is. So come along and see us. And don't forget, after Goa, we're going to head to Mumbai. Then after Mumbai, well, you'll have to wait and see. Bye.
Bye. See you on the next one.